I wish there was a way to know you're in the good old days before you've actually left them.
Alright guys, today I got the sickest freaking Durango RT 2017 and a list full of freaking mods. So let's go through it and check her out. This color is white knuckle, right? You got, I don't even know how to say these wheels. Is it Velgen, whatever? Classic 5 wheels in satin black. These are 22 sitting on Nitto S420s, 285s, and they are fat. Look at this. Sticking out, man. Tire stickers from TireStickers.com, and it's lowered an 1.5 inches all around on road magnetic springs installed by Showzone. I know those guys. Freaking 6-piston Brembo brakes on the front with slotted disc. That is freaking insane. 4 on the back. Look at that. That is so that does it for me right there. The red and the big brakes, that does it for me. Let me tell you guys, this car is freaking loud and it sounds beastly. It has a custom mid muffled elite with an X pipe going to a Gibson axle back exhaust. So listen to this. Grocery getter racing strut bar, a racing strut bar, and a big big freaking SUV. Firewall and custom fuse cover, billet technology catch can, and all matching engine bay pieces. Tail light tint, underglow lighting, and custom door sills. When I say this is the sickest freaking RT you've ever seen in your life, I'm not lying. Guys, this car is by Mr. and Mrs. Hemi. On Instagram is Mr_Mrs_Hemi. Go give them a follow from Holy City Customs. Like I said, man, go give them a follow. Give me a follow. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please stay tuned for more. And if you want to do a video with your car and you live in the area, Charleston, hit me up. Maybe we can work something out. Like I said, I love doing cars like this and really unique cars, so just let me know and leave a like. Go follow them on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video.